Okay. Now we're going to test it. Peroxide. Hold on, G. Go ahead. See what it do. Looks like it's absorbing. You see this shit? It's sticking to it. You see, Jay? It's like it's sucking up. Maybe because it's peroxide. Either way. I don't know, man. This thing looks stupid on this camera here. It looks foggy.
Everything's...
No, take that away. I still can't see it. Just take it away. Nothing? Keep sucking up to it.
But
maybe it's absorbing.
Look.
That's what I was telling you. Maybe it's absorbing it.
Hold on. There it goes. Watch this.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully you got that on there.
It's weird. Let's see if we put anything else in there. Let's put another object.
Like what?
I don't know. Like I think it.
I got it. What do you want to do?
Set your finger in there. See if it does the same thing. I ain't... Never mind.
Sit in and do what?
Set it in there and see if it absorbs.
Don't pour too much in it. That's it.
Look at it. Let's stick the finger right here.
Hold on. I got to scratch my fucking ear.
Never mind. I'll do it. Rubber.
Some ain't no joke.
No stuff not touching my finger. See how I'm getting all those?
I hope I can see this shit on here.
It's not coming to my finger. They all going to that one.
They all sucking up to it.
Look.
Yeah, I see it. I see it, but hopefully they can see on this camera.
Move it back.
Let's see if I can come on.
Look, it just attracts it.
Yeah, this is attracting. Keep sticking to it. Maybe it's leaving a film, some kind of film on it.
What are you talking about?
Because the way because it's getting hot. I don't know, maybe he's sweating, causing it to. I don't know, Jay. We need to put some alcohol in there and see what happens.
Yeah.
Take it out of there.
Clean.
Yeah. Looks like it's getting clear.
Anywhere you go, the dust particles are getting on it. When it gets to a certain range, it just attracts it.
Yeah, let's take it out. Got no tweezers, nothing.
Nope. Don't worry about it. Leave it in there. Leave it in there.
Don't put alcohol in it.
I know that. You could have just left it in there.
I think still jumping around.
Let me see. Yeah, touching my finger too.
Yeah, but that one was pulling.
And look, especially when you move it.
Took this out. Alright. alcohol now. See what happens when we put alcohol in it. That jelly should have immediately, it should have been ate up already with this. This was the alcohol.
Yeah. It's not an acid.
The alcohol?
Actually, the alcohol is.
Yeah, okay. That's what I'm saying.
Alcohol is an alcohol. It's not an acid. It's not like bleach. Bleach is an acid.
Looks like it's shrinking.
No, it's not.
Oh, it looks like it's getting cleaner. Like it's turning clear. You see that? The outer edges is getting cleaner. See that? It's getting clear. It just broke it.
I didn't break it, it just broke on its own.
You want to manhandle this shit? Broke on his own. Broke on it because you trusted. You grabbed it like you were a man there.
Let's see about dissolving.
Looks like it won't.
I wonder if you do it with salt on it. Sulfur base.
Let's see. Alright.
It's because of the mixture of alcohol and what was the name?
Yeah, that's all it is. It's foaming up like that because did the same thing with the I used to put that on my face. Nothing. Still the same. Let's see.